Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to like notes on Instagram. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on the direct messages icon at the top right corner of your screen. This is where you will see your friends' notes displayed above your messages. To like a note, simply double tap on it. And you will see an animation of like. And if you liked any note mistakenly and now want to remove it, so for that, what you have to simply do is to tap on the note and simply tap on the like button right here. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.